Hello and welcome to Phoenix LiDAR Systems demonstration of Spatial Explorer 6. Today we are going to be highlighting the camera snap and colorization of our point cloud within Spatial Explorer. So let's go ahead and open up our project where we left off before. Here we can see we have our calibrated point cloud and our refined optimized trajectory. But today we're going to be hanging out with our Sony a6000. So let's go investigate our calibration parameters. You can see our translation is finally measured, but no other camera calibration values have been calculated. In our processing tab, we can see we have images throughout the entire mission. If I hover over here, we can see RGB values, the width and height of the frame, as well as many other tools and icons that are further described in docs.phoenixlidar.com. But today we're going to be utilizing the Tools dropdown and Calibrate Sensors automatically. Now Camera Snap has two ways of calibrating our camera. First is called cross-modal calibration, where we utilize the geometry of the point cloud itself, as well as the images to calibrate the camera. And there's also, if we choose none here, a unimodal calibration, which simply allows us to use aerial triangulation in the images themselves to calibrate the camera. And today we're going to be utilizing this unimodal calibration as well as the parameters of sensor orientation, focal length, principal point, and radial distortion. So let's go ahead and hit OK and let Camera Snap run its thing. Now that Camera Snap has calibrated the camera, let's investigate the calibration tab. You can see now we have refined orientation information, as well as principal point, focal length, and our radial distortion values here. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK and apply. And let's go ahead and save our point cloud just to make sure that we're starting off from a solid foundation before RGB extraction. Okay, now that our point cloud and cloud file have been updated and saved, let's go ahead and utilize our RGB extraction tool to extract our RGB values from our refined camera calibration into the point cloud. So before we were using LiDAR Snap, now we're going to be using the Colorize Cloud tool. And we're going to be using the smooth distance metric, while many other metrics are available, and the default settings once again. And I'm going to go ahead and let this go. Once we have found colorization, let's apply this colorization to the point cloud to finish it off. Now that we have colorized the point cloud, let's go ahead and visualize this colorization instead of GPS time. If we instead use our color R, G, and B and update the attributes from the cloud, let's go ahead and see what our colorization did. If we zoom into our point cloud, say a very recognizable feature such as a runway, you can see that this RGB colorization worked very well. No seamline issues to speak of whatsoever. Very accurate colorization of the point cloud. This has been the quick demonstration of camera snap and camera colorization of the point cloud. Thank you for watching. I look forward to further modules for Spatial Explorer 6.